The bank deposit form in Accoxi functions for entering deposits in bank, which means with the bank deposit form, user can record the bank deposit transaction of the organization. To access the bank deposit form, click on the Accounts menu and select the option Bank Deposit. While we clicking on the option, it opens to New Bank Deposit Form. Now let's take a look at how to create a new bank deposit. For that, user need to enter the following details here. The first one is the reference number. Reference number of the bank deposit form will be automatically appear. User cannot change or edit this number. It will be the continuation of the previous form. Next is the instrument type. Here user need to select the required instrument type. By clicking on the select option, the list of available options will be open and user can select the required one. If the user selecting the instrument type as check, electronic check, DD, etc., then user need to enter the bank name, instrument number and instrument date also, except in the case of cash. Next is the date option. By clicking on the select option, user can select the required date. After selecting the date and instrument type, the next option is the party name. Here user can enter the party name of the banking deposit. The next is the narration. Here user can enter the required narration related with the banking deposit. Next is the to bank account option. Here user can select the to bank account. By clicking on the select option, the created list of bank details will be opened and user can select the required one. User can add a new ledger or bank account by using this add new option. While we clicking on the add new option, it opens to ledger form and user can create a new bank account there. After entering the details, the next is the from account option. Here user can enter the from account details. By clicking on the select option, the cash account is available and user can select the required account. Next is the narration. Here user can enter the narration related with the transaction. After entering the narration, the next one is the amount field. Next is the amount field. Here user can enter the amount of this banking deposit. After entering the amount, on the bottom left side of the page, amount in words is given, and on the right side of the page, the total amount is given. After entering the all details, the next step is to save this transaction. To save this transaction, we have Save as Draft option and Save as Voucher option. User can save this transaction as draft by using this option, or user can save this transaction as voucher by using the Save as Voucher option. We have a clear option and exit option is available also. Clear option is for clear or cancel this form without saving, and exit option is for exit from this page without saving. While we clicking on the Save as Voucher option, a validation message will be pop up with do you want to save this transaction. Click on the Yes option to save this transaction. While we clicking on the Yes option, the next validation message will pop up with voucher successfully saved with voucher number. Click on the OK option. After we saving the banking deposit form, next it opens to banking deposit view form. Here it shows the created transaction details like date of creation, ledger name, narration, debit amount and credit amount details, organization address, etc. Let's take a look at which all options are available in this banking deposit view. Here we can see a history menu. With this history option, user can access the complete history details related with this banking deposit. Next to the history option is View Journal. With this option, user can access the journal view of this transaction. While we clicking on the View Journal, the journal view of the transaction will open and it shows the account details, debit and credit amount details of this banking transaction. Next is the zoom in and zoom out options, and we have three options are available to adjust the paper size. Next to the paper size option is edit option. This pencil icon indicates with edit option. If the user want to edit or make a change after created the banking deposit transaction, then it can be done by using this edit option. While we clicking on the edit option, it opens to previous deposit form. Next one is the export to PDF option. With this option, user can export the created banking deposit form to PDF format. Next one is the print option. If the user want to take the printout of the created banking deposit form, then it can be taken by using this option. Next to the print option is more options. More options include a cancel option. With this cancel option, user can cancel this transaction if required. Next, on the right side of the page, an exit option is available. While we clicking on the exit option, it redirects to the dashboard. So these are the details included under banking deposit form. Thank you.